Good morning, everybody on TradingView. I'm going to quickly have a look at what happened yesterday and then what we can expect more or less for today. Remember, yesterday I was saying to you guys that we're testing this downtrend coming here on the pitchfork, coming down here. And then I said if we start making higher highs, we can look at becoming more bullish. But that level didn't hold and we started coming down to test this. So we're in this zone now. That's our zone that we are currently in. Hi, good morning, Monica. So this is our trend that we are currently in, our channel. On the hour, I can see that we're making this upside down W thing. So we'll have to check now if it retests this level and what does it do at that level. Hey, Connor, Prof, how's it? Hey, how's it, bro? So yeah, we're in this channel right now. And the RSI, there is some movement. I'm doing well, thanks, bro. Doing well, thanks. So there is definitely some momentum to retest this level. Maybe we need to check what this level does today. Just want to check on the 4 hour what we can see. If we see any, it still looks to me like you can see the energies pulling this way, in my opinion. I still think it still looks to me because we still got the RSI. Well, I mean, it's on 50 now. See over there, it's on 50 now. I mean, there's still a lot of um, room for it to still complete this head and shoulders. There's the head, there's the shoulder. I still feel like we're coming for somewhere there, maybe not 100% sure. It does look like there is some room to come down. Yes, the M. So it might do that and then start coming down a little bit. I'm not sure. Let's pull in some other indicators. Maybe my 20-day. Today the trend doesn't. Juanita, Monica, Connor, how's it, everybody? Let me get my moving averages out. Um, Yeah, the moving averages still looks like the momentum overall is coming towards that head and shoulders completing. It looks like it's coming this way. You can see the 20 days coming down there. That's what it looks like to me. Let's have a look what we can see. Okay, so we had the W there, then the impulse coming down. We had an up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. 1, 2, A, A, B, C. Yeah, yeah, I definitely think that we might come and retest this level, this uptrend here. And if it doesn't get any demand over there and the bulls take over, then we might come into this channel, which will then finish our head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, on the 4 hours, I do see the 20-day looks like it's going to cross with it has already crossed with the 50-day, which is usually seen as a golden cross, which is a bullish indicator. And also but I mean the pattern, it could be, That happens, then we form that W, come and retest this uptrend over here somewhere. I mean, the RSI is 50. I don't have any like clear indication of where I think this trend can go, other than retest there, come back down, retest there, and then back onto the uptrend, because that's what it's looking like to me. That's the momentum I see. Um, there. Is it something like that? Because I do see it starting to kink, which means it will maybe come up a little bit and retest that level. We hit this. Oh, that's what I wanted to mention, is we hit this demand zone at 2637. Good morning. You see there, we hit exactly on my demand zone that my gold thingy is, well, indicated. And now it might even come up and retest 2670. There's definitely on the 30 minutes, there's some momentum. Yeah, I don't know if it's because of this uptrend that it's making a fake. I'm unsure. Let's check the daily. Maybe we can see something there. You know, it feels to me like there's some uncertainty in the market with gold. Like people are unsure. It's just moving. It's just existing. Let's check on the daily. We're definitely losing momentum. Yeah, and look at that. Yes, head and shoulders, and it's kinking. So short term retesting of those, that downtrend, and then long term, I suspect that we might get a bit of a retracement. See, there's our head and shoulders. We broke it, and then it made that W, but it's kinking. So if it breaks that channel over there on my RSI, that could be a bearish indicator indication. Hi, good morning, everybody. I'm busy looking at the gold analysis. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me at any time. I'm trying to find something that can sit, and it's, unless this is a consolidation tempo. So we could be consolidating also. I mean, even if we go sideways, we still have the head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder could extend. Wow, there's also a big head and shoulders here. A massive one. Is it that? Yeah, it's yeah. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Wow. I mean, on the 4 hour, we've got space to go down. On the daily, we've got space to go down. I mean, that head and shoulders, that's just the smaller head and shoulders. That's not even the bigger one. There's a bigger one also. It's this one, yeah. There's the shoulder, the head, and the shoulder. I think we have to check on the monthly what this thing is saying. I know it looks very confusing, but this chart's also for day traders. It's for long term and day traders. If you go down to smaller time frames, then it makes more sense for the scalp trading. You make nice little between the suppliers and demands. I was checking yesterday. It's like, I'm running some tests, but it's like 150 to $200 on a zero point 0.1 lot that you can make between them. It's quite a lot. Oh, I wanted to go to monthly. Maybe I should use another chart for the monthly. Oh, look at that. Wow, you guys seeing that? Can you guys see that head and shoulders there? Shoulder, head. Unless it's gonna do that maybe on that uptrend type of thing. Let's check. That would be that uptrend. That would be the shoulder, head. No, Uncle Cipher pattern. Cipher. No, it's not that. This this doesn't look like a natural flow. Um, the only thing I can see is a head and shoulders. Yeah, this isn't my usual patterns. Maybe I should go down to a weekly. Oh, it's a weird pattern. This really weird. If there's anything you guys can see that I'm not seeing, it's at 2657. Yeah, 2657. I'm trying to find like a pattern that I can see what the trend's gonna be, but it's a little bit confusing for me. Yesterday I could see it perfect. Today when they it's like it gets altered. Like I don't know, it's difficult to explain it. I mean, the fact that it's testing this downtrend with that weak, it looks fake to me because of the fact that the RSI is so. I mean, it's high. There's room to come down. Now look at that candle. That wasn't supposed to be like that. Unless that's our channel with a demand zone or up flag pattern. Something like that. One, two, one, two, three bottom. Yeah, I'm gonna say short term for gold, possibly 2661 ish in this channel over here. It looks like a consolidation pattern, but it's also the W is broken, but then it's shooting out. It's really confusing me. Yeah, I think this is fake possibly. But check this level coming down here, guys. This downtrend. You'll find it on my idea. I know today's updates is quite it's like all over the place. But yeah, we'll have to check these levels and see what it does. This isn't a comfortable trend for me to like personally. If I had to trade, it doesn't feel comfortable for me. It's almost it's looking like this, something like that. Hi, good morning, everybody. to 645. Okay. I need to get new demand zones for gold, and I've got them here in my app. Just give me a second. Let me quickly see if I can get some new demand zones. Where's my code? You guys can see. Hey, don't show your code, my bro. So these are the demand zones and the supply zones for gold. That's the historic data. To 649, to 649, to 649, to 649. I've only got a demand zone at 2604, 2649, 2649. Supply zone is 2655 and 2670. 2655. Okay, yes, there's a supply zone there. 2655 and 2670 is the next one. Oh, I've got that one. We've got one at 2639 and 2612 as well. Morning, everybody. Sorry, I'm just busy looking for these demand zones and supply zones for gold, just to come closer so that I can see what the pattern is. I can't read this pattern today. Well, I not that I can't. I'm just it's a difficult one for me to understand today. Usually I get them. Yesterday I got it perfect, perfect. Oh, you guys will. Oh, that's in the way. Oh, in my idea on trading view, there's supply and demand zones. You guys can paste them into your charts if you want to. Let me show you where it is. On trading view, if you look for personal underscore brand, you'll see these supply zones and demand zones. Please ignore these things. This is just purely for me for record purposes. It's not trading signals, so please ignore those. But it's the supply and demand zone. So basically, this that I'm drawing on the chart. I'm gonna publish this idea. I'm gonna update it, and then you guys can get the new zones that are in there, and then just watch what the price does on those levels. Yeah, I do think it's gonna finish the head and shoulders pattern. To be honest with you guys, that's what I think might happen. It's looking a lot like that, and then you'll get that, and then the shoot. Like I said yesterday, this W will form most probably, something like that. That's what I'm suspecting will happen. We'll have to see what. Hey, how's it, Damien? Israel, morning, everybody. If you guys have any questions for gold, you'll. Oh, my recording's ending. I'm gonna post this video to my TikTok as well as TradingView, and that you guys can watch it. It wasn't like always, like I couldn't feel the energy or the flow of the current, of